Working with access management. In this video, we will learn policies and permissions. Policies and permission fall under the access management. From the name itself allows you to control access to AWS resources. Management of IAM user access in AWS resources is done through attachment of policies to the IAM identities on your environment. Through policies, you'll be able to define the permission for the IAM user. There are two main types of policies that you can create for your users, namely managed policies, which can be simply coined as AWS predefined, or customer defined policies and shares the same resource across the entities that uses it, and inclined policies, which create a copy of each entities that it is attached on. On this demo, I will show you how to manage and inline policies that are attached to IAM identities. Focus and learn. Okay, I will go to IAM console. On your IAM console, you can either click on users or policy from the navigation pane. On the summary window, you will be presented with add permission and add inline policy. So I'll go to user. Then let's say I click my username. There. So when you click the add permission, this will allows you to assign managed policies, whether AWS or customer managed. So you can see here, you have the capability to copy permission from existing user, attach existing policy directly. So you have three options here. Okay, for IAM policy to grant permission. Here are the list of policies available. Let's say I would like to add this one. So I choose this one. Let's say this one. Let attach existing. Then let's say I would like to attach this existing policy here. There. Click add permission. There. It will add the permission that this user has the capability to view an existing Alexa for business intelligence analysis. Add inline policy, then choose cloud, let's say CloudTrail, then CloudTrail, click displace, then review policy, let's say, what's this CloudTrail underscore list, then create policy, wait for it, there, show more, so you can see inline policy here. That ends our demo.